Thank you, Brian. I just wanted to reiterate that we are aggressively trying to get to locations throughout the United States and Canada for training. We do have scheduled trainings coming up in Long Beach, here in Orem, in Ontario, Canada, and as well as Atlanta, Georgia. And then we have some others that are still up in the air in terms of the schedule, but we're planning on being out to Florida, Chicago, and Northern California here. And there will be others as well by the end of the year. If you haven't heard of training in your locale, talk to your regional sales manager. And we'd love to hear if there's a need that we're missing. I also want to reiterate, as has been stated before, the value of the online widget videos, and particularly as we look at the 3 that are specific to the climate widget. There is one that I felt was necessary, and that was the 3rd one. It goes into terminology. We want to make sure that, particularly if you as a dealer have not had a lot of experience with HVAC in the past, that you look at that, look at terminology, and help your clients to understand that as well. You might point your clients to that if they're having a little bit of a misunderstanding about how the system interface works. Also wanted to make a statement about the, on the implementation video, we talk about the 4 schedules that are available to you today. I think, Brian, I don't know if you mentioned or not, but there's a talk about including more coming up. But right now, you have 4 available to you. My recommendation is that you not think of the 4 schedules as they are presented within Design Center as a home, away, a vacation, and so on. But they'd be more static. You can use programming to go on and off for away, and put it in the manual with a setback. So all that's covered within the widget. It's really important, I think, if you haven't seen that within those videos, to go and review those, and you'll get more information. Please feel free, if you have questions about the things that you see there, to come back and let us know. Let's see, do we have any questions that need to be answered?
We do have a few more that came in. One question is, have we considered an RSS feed widget?
Well, we have RSS and other information in Equinox as a slated item. It's a little bit out there as far as time. We're definitely interested in providing more information on Equinox to our customers. RSS is definitely an interesting one, but as well as other news or sports or stock type tickers, including RSS type feeds. So yes, we've considered it for sure. But it's not something that we are actively working on today as we finish up shades and timers and then move through, as we discussed last month, on development efforts to improve the audio and video environments and cameras. So those are the next ones we're going to be looking at for sure. Definitely interested in RSS and providing that information.
And then, is there a solution where you can add a temperature sensor to a system aside from the external sensor for the unit? Sometimes it's nice to have an extra sensor in a rack room, plan them on attic.
Yeah, I mean, today there's not a solution for that. It's available through us. We don't offer that. I mean, again, I think did we in the driver with RackLink implement the sensor for that?
We will.
Yeah. So I know with RackLink, which is a Mid-Atlantic product, that has remote switching and controlling of outputs, but it also has temperature sensing and thresholds that can be monitored through that device too. I know that we've got the driver written for the switching part of it and control part of the RackLink, and Brian's saying that we definitely could add the temperature input of that. So again, we probably need to understand a little bit more what you're looking for sure, and where you want that feedback to be. If you're looking for that, to come back to the Equinox keypad or interface, But yeah, just get us some more information on that. We can look forward, see what we can offer you as we move forward. But
Well, let's send an email.
yeah, we can catch you on that one.